Sambo here. I'm about to catch a swarm. Angela's on the other side of the fence. She stays away when she can. She catches them when she has to. I'll include a little bit of footage from when I was swarming from a split that I did. But anyway, what I've got, I've just put a white sheet down. They're in a bit of an awkward spot. Put a white sheet down. I've got drawn comb, and I've also got brood comb. Put that in there. The plan is that will help anchor the bees. I'll stick around and look after that brood, and the brood gives off pheromones anyway. My best option here is just to shake and let them march in. And they'll be attracted to the dark. They want to get away from the light. Hopefully they'll just march on in. A few stragglers there. And there we go. We've got bees fanning the Nasanov glands, and all the rest are just starting to march on in. That's a beautiful sight. You can see these ones here, got the butts up in the air. They're fanning like crazy. They're letting everyone else know that this is where home is. Look at them all over here, just slowly making their way. Got a few flyers, not many. Just marching on in. Looks like we have a swarm. That's a split I did just a couple of weeks ago. They're piling out of there. Unmistakable sound. Guess we'll give them a while to settle, and then we'll catch us another swarm. And look at that. They found themselves a home. Yep. That's a good catch. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I have more swarm catches through the year. Talk to you later.